know what low-hanging fruit is and target that. Now, what does that mean? You probably hear multiple times, low-hanging fruit, low-hanging objectives and targets. If you're short, okay, what's the closest short-term low? If you're entering on like a 5-minute chart, where's the nearest 15-minute low? Where's the hourly low? That's going to be the closest one. If the market just keeps dropping, how far away is that? Now let's talk about this, because this is a question I saw on.
All right, bet. I'm gonna do trade recap, and then we're gonna review your guys' stuff that you DM me. I saw a lot of you guys DM me, so I'll review that as well. All right, so first trade, it was at a little bit before 10, but the setup was just so clear, so that's the only reason I took it. I normally don't do that, but it was like really good setup. I only took it on one account, and then this one I took on all accounts. But yeah, ended up getting hit break even here on the first trade. Pretty much confluences were 9:30 a.m. If we look at 9:30, we opened up right here, and we just manipulated lower at 9:30. So we had an open low high close at market open, and we've manipulated into an external SMT at the lows, which we had right here. If you look at the higher time frame, pretty significant SMT here at the lows. If we look at the higher time frames as well, if we look at the hourly here, we had this bullish propulsion block on the hourly, this order block here, and this order block right here, which you can see we wicked into. And then I also marked up this order block right here as well, because we wicked into it perfectly, as you can see right here. Wicked into it, showed straight rejection out of it with the external SMT as well. So when I saw that, plus the external SMT, it gave me a clear narrative that we want to run higher. So I hopped down to the lower time frames. We got an internal SMT. This was like my final confirmation, and then final confirmation to get in was a inverse order block here on the 15 seconds, so right here. So pretty much took that, ended up getting hit break even. It edged my TP right here. But yeah, re-entry here, waited till 10 a.m. So 10 a.m. here opened up higher, but then overall the 4-hour candle manipulated lower into where I wanted to, so into a internal SMT as well. Took an entry here off this 15-second inverse for value gap right here. Ended up holding some chop here, but while we were in the trade, you guys actually saw me mark this up, this fib right here. Everything was still valid. I didn't even care about this chop because we were still wicking out of OTE, wicking out of golden pocket so beautifully. So consolidation overall, it's not a bad thing. It's often a good thing because it's just price absorbing the big money's orders. So while big money is filling their orders to go higher, as long as your stop loss is in a protected spot, like a SMT low, just like this, you're chilling pretty much. As long as your draw is good, more times than not, the SMT will hold. And that's why I love putting my stop losses at SMT lows or highs, because it's just such a clear spot. It's such a protected low. But yeah, basically took this off at around 2.5 R. Was aiming for 2 R, but I got slipped a little bit more, so that was pretty good. And main target here was the unfilled 15-minute for value gap for a 1 to 3. I know some of you guys closed around 1 to 3, so yeah, nice base hit. And yeah, that's pretty much it for AM session. Also, for anybody watching this on YouTube, if you want to get coached by me one-on-one, comment the word one-on-one below, or DM me on Instagram the word one-on-one, and I'll see if we're a good fit to work together. I only work with serious students. Also, if you want to live trade with me every single morning, comment the word live below, or DM me on Instagram the word live, as well as there should be a link in the description to my live trading. Right now we do have a 20% off for the live trading. Code WINSTREAK is active right now, I think until midnight tonight. So lock that in if you want. There's gonna be no more damn, can't even speak. There's gonna be no more discount codes on exclusive for a while, just because of how much value is being dropped in there every single day. We have the afternoon charting sessions every day. We have the live tradings. We have the back testing sessions. Just way too much value to be discounting it. But yeah, this is the final discount for a while. So if you guys aren't in there, want to join the team, then join up. And also, if you don't have any money, if you're a brokey, respectfully, it's okay. We've all been there. I have a free community as well. I'm just kidding. I didn't mean to call y'all brokies. I love you all. Free community as well. Link in the description, I think, for that. So yeah, love you all. Till next time, peace out. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you guys caught the longs, comment below as well. What'd you guys catch today in AM? Comment below. Till next time, peace out. Good looks.